Jen, I'm out at the McKenna Mount site where soldiers and scientists recently conducted the Unmanned Systems Collaboration Experiment. It's an effort by the Robotic Systems Joint Project Office and the Maneuver Battle Lab to learn how to make the use of technology on the battlefield a whole lot easier. U.S. soldiers have been using unmanned robots, sensors, and other technologies successfully in theater since the war on terrorism began. The goal now is to bring all these technologies together in one easy-to-use system.
Simplicity is what we're trying to achieve. What we're trying to do with collaboration and teaming effort with robotic systems is to have like universal controllers, have a way of tying in unattended ground sensors, UAVs, UGVs into one style controller where all your metadata is compiled into one visual command center.
This is really the first time that we've taken an in-depth look at collaboration of unmanned systems and its impact on the small unit.
Today's robotic systems require a dedicated soldier to operate each robot individually, using bulky control units that are cumbersome and take troops out of the fight.
If they've got multiple unmanned systems, it requires additional operators, and if they use their own members of their squad or their platoon, then they lose firepower.
Current robot controls require an operator's full attention, which can leave them vulnerable if they lose focus of their own situational awareness.
Robotics, a system with a camera typically as it is in teleop mode currently. Well, when you're driving, it's almost as you're in tunnel vision, and you're kind of limited. Your situational awareness is greatly diminished. And we're trying to improve on it, improve that environment, improve that sense of feel for you can really feel like you're involved in that environment.
If we can reduce the workload, the cognitive workload of the operator and of the soldiers working with the unmanned systems, then we increase their ability to conduct their mission.
Another important aspect of collaboration is autonomy. This allows robots to complete simple tasks on their own and help to free up the operator.
Instead of having to operate the robot continuously, I am able to provide it a task, hit go, and the robot will go off and do that. That frees my operator up to take a look at the information it's providing. The helicopters are working autonomously. However, the ground robots will not be autonomous.
Collaboration and autonomy are the way of the future for these technologies, but what about full autonomous robots on the battlefields of tomorrow?
You'll never have a full autonomous weaponized robot in the battlefield. It'll never happen. Many people will tell you that. Just because you need to have the human behind the trigger, making the decisions that are important.
Although experts say they will never be fully autonomous, this technology will certainly advance, and robots will continue to change the way we fight.